Do not buy a laptop just yet, because I bet that 2024 is going to be the year when you finally buy a thin and light gaming device. A bunch of new laptops have been unveiled at the CES 2024 and they are ready to change the way you look at thin and light gaming laptops. If you have watched any of my previous reviews, you know that thin and light laptops are one of the form factors that I and many others love, but it still leaves a lot to be desired in terms of performance. But with a new set of chips from Intel and also from AMD, that's all set to change. Recently, HP unveiled the HP Omen Transcend 14. And if you think that that name sounds familiar, then we have reviewed the HP Omen Transcend 16 in 2023. And to put it short, it was a 16-inch slim form factor gaming laptop. But HP has turned the dial all the way to 11 and unveiled the HP Omen Transcend 14 at CES 2024. Moreover, the HP is calling it the coolest and the lightest 14-inch gaming laptop in the world. Now, I don't know about its cooling just yet, but it certainly is very light. Coming in at just 1.6 kgs, it is as light as a 14-inch MacBook Pro, which is a standard in itself. The laptop features an all-new design featuring a bezel-less display, a 60% keyboard and a new set of ports. The laptop comes with Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU. HP is also promising improved thermals because this time they have collaborated with Intel for the same. Based on what we have seen about the Intel chip so far, the Core Ultra 9 185H will likely deliver excellent battery life, which would be even comparable to Apple MacBooks. Moreover, the new Intel chips also now feature an NPU, which is a big deal, because now tasks like streaming will be handled by the NPU instead of the GPU. So you can run OBS in the background without any loss in in-game FPS. Simply put, streaming करते समय भी FPS कम नहीं होगा. If Windows laptops can manage good battery life, then a lot of people are going to ditch the normal thin and light devices in favor of gaming thin and light laptops for extra performance. Moving on, the HP Omen Transcend 14 features an IMAX Enhanced Certified 2.8K 120Hz OLED display with variable refresh rate support. We saw the IMAX certified screen in HP NV15 last year, and it's good to see this feature is also coming to other products in HP's portfolio. And the Transcend 14's keyboard is being called a lattice-less sky-printed RGB keyboard by HP. It certainly looks like it would have good key travel, but we would have to test and see how it actually works. The laptop features a HyperX tuned audio system as well. And since 2024 is the year when AI finally goes mainstream, the laptop has some other notable features including AI capabilities with local and cloud-based solutions including Otter AI for live transcripts and AI-generated notes. But what I am particularly excited about is having a Windows laptop which can play games at high FPS, which can allow me to create content and which can deliver great battery life and is most importantly thin and light. Are you excited about the HP Omen Transcend 14? Let me know in the comment section below. Until then, this is me, Yatnesh Dubey. You were watching Digit and I will see you guys in the next one.